So, but before we get to them, what happens next?
Oh, we get to do IP in the news. So intellectual property in the news.
There we go. So all of you IP aficionados, get ready, because we're going to be talking a little bit about Apple and some of their, well, one of their new patents. Actually, they just got 51 patents issued yesterday. That's a lot of patents to get issued at one time. And they had one special patent. What was that?
Well, we want to talk about this one, yes. So titanium is a metal that is strong and light, and it can be used to make laptops. But the problem with titanium is that it gets oxidized, which means that chemicals react from the air, react with it, and it turns color. And so they're not sure that people are going to want, well, they know probably that people are going to say, oh, my laptop changed color, there's something wrong with it. So
well, titanium, according to the patent, titanium changes from like a silver color to a yellow color to a brown color, and then purple
or blue
or purple,
which I think would be okay, but people would probably think there's something wrong. So they don't want that to happen. So they've gotten into the chemical business, and they've developed this coating that will keep the color constant over time.
Right. And I bet all of our listeners appreciate that titanium has the highest strength to weight ratio of any metal.
Well, it'll make the laptops lighter and the other devices lighter.
Right. And they can make them thinner so they can get more electronic stuff in there. So anyway, I think it's pretty interesting that Apple has actually gone into this kind of chemical manufacturing business. And, you know, there's always something new on the horizon when it comes to technology. So
there is. And Apple gets lots of patents.
And they do. So
Yeah.
What's next?